How to fix PS5 Error NP-103117-3. Here are useful tips that would help you fix PS5 Error NP-103117-3. 1. You should pay a visit to the official PSN server status page for any existing or reported failure and maintenance information. If yes, you have to wait, then try playing your app later. Meantime, you may also play other online games. If no, read on and try the following tips. 2. To avoid further trouble, you better note down current internet connection settings on your PlayStation 5 console and reset them up later. To do so, you need to reconfigure your PS5 connection via some faster and stable connectivity. Hint: changing the DNS address may be helpful. Google other tips. Speed up PS5 connection speed on the web. Remember to perform an internet connection test after you reset up your PS5 connection settings. 3. Completely turn off your home router or modem, if any, and you'd better wait at least 5 minutes before reconnecting your PS5 to the internet. This help cools down your PS5 as well. Refer to the following image. Remove the power cable.